stock for the last month, I believe, or more. So they sent it to me. Right now I have the intercooler on, but the stock with the stock pipe. So I'll be doing the PRL pipe. Oh, fuck. So I'll be mounting the pipes today, and see. You guys going to see the difference between the stock ones and the PRL ones. So the box is kind of nice, smooth. I'm driving right now, so I'll be posting the pictures so you guys can see. So yeah, right now my temps, I want to see the temps with the stock pipes and the PRL one. So right now with the stock one, my temps are like around 100 degrees to 120 during the day. Right now it's almost 90 degrees. I'm pretty sure the temp feels like more than 100 today. So let's see if the car runs better with the pipes. I'm pretty sure yeah, because it's more air coming to the engine or the turbo and everything. And I'll be doing the install with you guys. Right now my temps are IAT 132 and IAT 2 107. You guys can see right there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like, yeah, this is my tablet for my Ktuner. Yeah, let me show you the box, guys. So this is the box. The PRL. Alright guys, sucks to sucks. Yesterday I did the video for you guys how to install the intercooler charge pipe, but the video, it wasn't like zoom. The lens wasn't zoom, so I just checked the video and it looks like trash. I'm gonna try to save the much I can from the video yesterday, but yeah. You guys can see right there the pipe, everything is installed right there. The other one is right there below the air filter right here. Super nice, everything fit perfectly right there. PRL did a great job doing this. The car feels way better. Temps are really good. This is the intercooler right there. Temps, like it was like 95 degrees today outside here, and the temps on my car was like below 100, so that's perfect for me. I'm pretty sure if I do some pulls, the car is gonna feel way better. I did some pulls yesterday after the install, and I feel the car faster. So yeah, this is the intake, PRL, everything PRL. Yeah, I recommend this 100%. So This is gonna be a short video. I feel bad because I cut myself yesterday. You see the blood right there? And I did the video for you guys, but the video looks like shit. So like I said, this is the intercooler. I was talking about the Cobra intake. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, when you upgrade the intercooler, there's no space for air coming to the Cobra. Like, it's closed. Like, the entire intercooler fill all the gap from the bumper. So it's nothing. It's not the engine. The tangent has something here to the air can go to the Cobra, but we had this right here for the high volume intake, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the best option, and I know PRL know that. That's why they are developing this one. I can't wait to test it. Yeah, that's it. Sorry guys.
Few moments later.
Let's do some pulls right now to see if like a check engine light or something get loose or something. Let me tell you something. The car feels good. I was the map 2, 33 psi. So far so good. No check engine. Alright guys, this is the next day. First impression so far, temps are lower. Like I said yesterday, with the PRL intercooler and the stock pipes, my car was running around 110 to 120. Right now it's 89 degrees outside. It's almost noon, and the car is running 98, around 98 degrees to 105, and it's hot today. So I feel the car like way better. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel the car is faster with the pipes on. And yeah, if it's worth it the change, 100%. 100% worth it. I have $1. Let me give him $1. There you go. You too, have a good day. Yeah, so it's worth it. I did some pulls yesterday and temps stay the same. So yep, I did the video for you guys yesterday. I spent like 2.5 hours recording stuff, and I forgot to change the lens from zoom. So yeah, the video looks like shit. So I'm doing this short video to show you guys and tell you guys how the car feels. The car feels amazing. I want to race some cars soon. I think I'm gonna race a Focus ST and a STI. So let's see what happens with that. Soon I'll be receiving the draggy thing, the GPS. So I'm going to test my car with that, and also I'm going to receive my lowering spring from Action Industry. He sent it to me, and I'll be doing a video about that too. Peace.